Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Went and got my coffee, which was a grande cinnamon dolce latte with 1 pump of caramel sauce and 1 pump of cinnamon dolce sauce, because the normal size comes with 3 and 2, like 5 shots or something crazy, so I just make it smaller. And I use the online ordering, which is so great. I'm so obsessed with it. It's been such a revelation. My mom was like, it took you 2 years. I've had it for 2 years. I'm like, I know, I've been missing it on all the gold stars, Mom. Anyway, so I got my coffee and I'm going to start the day. As I mentioned before, I wanted to film another kind of like first impressions video. I'll show you guys what I bought at Sephora right now. And then I also have this giant pile of all the things that have been sent to me. And I figured I'd do another little PR haul as well. So anyway, let's do this. Swatch is still on my hand. I bought 2 of the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blushes. A lot of you guys requested that I try these out and see how they are. So I got the shade That Peach though, and then Pink Me Up. There were only 3 shades left. There's 6 shades in total, and they didn't have too much stock, so these were the 2 I could get my hands on. But I bought those to try, and then a lot of you also requested that I try the Nude Sticks brow pencil and setting gel, and I got the shade Ash Blonde. No, sorry, Ash Brown. Ash Brown. I don't know if I meant to get that. I think I meant to get the blonde one. Oh well, we'll try it out and see. It's kind of cool. It has the crayon and the setting gel in one, so I'm excited to try that. And then I purchased 3 of these Laura Mercier matte lipsticks, and I had never seen these before, never heard of them, but they are gorgeous. Ooh, they're gorgeous colors. I got Stylin', Cool, and Goals, and these were the swatches of those lipsticks right here. These ones are Stylin' and Cool, and then that one on the left, the pink, is Goals. And they are absolutely gorgeous. I can't speak for how they wear on the lips, so I don't want to like talk too much about them yet, but I'm going to try them out, and I'm so excited. They just looked so beautiful, perfect for the spring and summer. I love the oranges, and I'm kind of lacking in the orange lipstick area. I always wear the Lancome matte shaker, and I kind of wanted to switch things up, so I picked those up. And that's my little Sephora haul from this morning. And if you would like to keep watching, I'm going to do a little PR haul right now. All right, folks, let's do this ish and snish. All right, first thing from Persona Cosmetics. I'm so excited because I just saw Sona in LA. She was there with Lancome as well, and she's so sweet. I love her so much, and I'm so proud of her and everything she's done with her brand and their beautiful products. Her eye palette's amazing. I featured it in a video before, and she just launched 3 new highlighters, and I'm so excited. The photos have looked amazing. I can't wait to try them. So there's Zuma, Laguna, and Del Mar, and they're all supposed to be like hot weather Cali inspired highlighters. I think it was Zuma that I was most excited about. This is the packaging here. Opens up. Oh, look at that. Look at that mirror. That's a great mirror. I'm gonna swatch this. Oh, damn. So that's the shade Zuma. It's a beautiful champagne highlighter. That's gorgeous. Let's swatch the others. This one is Del Mar, so it's the deeper, more bronzed golden highlight. That's gorgeous. So gorgeous. They're incredibly creamy. And this one's Laguna, so this is the bright, light, pale highlight, the bright white highlight, so you can see that one there. So Laguna, Zuma, and Del Mar. Absolutely stunning. Such beautiful highlight. The next launch that I was really interested in about because I had never heard of this brand. It's called Ink Credible. Oh, it's Nails Ink. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, well on the package it says Ink Credible, so I definitely thought that was something else, but that makes a lot of sense. It's a highlighting jelly that they say you can use for your eyes, cheeks, brows, and lips. So this is the packaging it comes in. It kind of reminds me of a mix of Glossier and the Pat McGrath packaging. There are 2 shades. It's Show Glow and Cosmic Blur. This one is Cosmic Blur, so this is the packaging here. You glow, girl. Oh wow, it is, yeah. It is legitimately jelly. How cool. Whoa. It's so weird. This one has a very, very strong, intense purple reflect. It's not showing up so much on the camera, but in person, when I turn my hand to the side, it's completely purple. It's definitely cosmic. Certainly the vibe I'm getting from that. So it's funny, in the camera it looks more white and light, but on the hand it is purple. Oh, wow. So this is the Show Glow. You can see the jelly is just like chilling in the pot. It looks like magic Mars goop. I don't know, it looks so cool, and it has a very, very wet texture. But then it spreads out on the hand. I mean, it's spreading out on the hand really nicely. These aren't really my cup of tea in terms of the shade for the highlighter. This one's a much more bronzed. It has like very intense gold, but it's almost like the green gold reflex in it. This one could be really pretty, I feel like, in the summertime if you're like super bronzed and you're out in the sun and chilling in the sand. That would be really pretty. But a really interesting formula. I would like to see them come out with more shades, maybe like more wearable shades for every day, because those ones are definitely more like spunky shades that would be cool to use every now and again. But I really like that formula and I think it blends out really beautifully. I'd love some shades that would be maybe more suitable for every day, but that's gorgeous. Oh my god. So these are called the Power Plump Tinted Lip Balms. Oh, that sounds right up my alley. There's 4 shades. I think this one is just clear. This is just a lip balm. And then there's Fiery, Flushed, and Glowing. It says it plumps and pampers for a soft, sexy pout, blooms to your perfect nude tint to amp up your natural lip tone. That sounds like my exact favorite kind of thing. This is the packaging here. It's very, very large packaging, actually. Oh, cool. It smells minty. A really nice sheer lip balm. This is the nude one. The nude one's beautiful. What was that called? This is Glowing. So that is the packaging here. And I guess, yeah, you just twist it. That's great. That's super handy. That's a beautiful nude shade. Kind of has a little bit of a pinky tint to it. Let's try out Fiery. Fiery, ooh, very, very red, but oh, that's really nice. That's a really, really pretty sheer kind of cherry red. Actually, almost like raspberry. And then this one here is Flushed. This one seems to be a little bit more of a purpley undertone. Let's swatch this one. Very close in shade to the Clinique Black Honey, but the Black Honey is a little bit more pigmented, but just a really nice sheer kind of berry purple shade. Those are really pretty. They smell super minty. I'm gonna put the lip balm. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. Sorry for my naked face, but I'm actually just gonna try the lip balm and see how it feels. Oh, the lip balm's in pink packaging. That's cute. That feels amazing. It's not too thick. I think this would be beautiful to layer underneath makeup, but it's really like fresh and minty. That's nice. I'm really excited about those. Thank you so much for sending those over, Buxom. Those are gorgeous. I can't wait to play with those. Now the next package was really cute. It's from Estee Lauder. I didn't realize they sent a letter. Whoops. Oh, it says Happy Valentine's Day from Danielle and Taryn. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put that in my memory box. Yeah, Estee Lauder sent over this clutch bag, which actually came with a crossbody shoulder strap, which is so adorable. I apologize. I did previously open this and peek because I was so curious. But it came with their Pure Color Envy paint on liquid lip colors in the box, and you can remove it. But even still, having this mirror in there for when you're going on a night out, if you want to touch up your makeup, you're right there. Sorry, total side note, because I just looked at myself. I realized that that lip balm put a little bit of a pinky tint on my lips. That's really pretty. It's still feeling minty and amazing. So I think it might actually have the plumping properties. Anyway, these are the Estee Lauder paint on liquid lip colors. These look gorgeous. I immediately want to grab this nude. This is the shade 201 Heart Crush. Oh, they smell really nice. They're quite fruity smelling. And this, just by the way it's going on my hand, it's super thin. It's more of a watery texture. I feel like it'll be more of like a lip stain once it's actually applied. This is the shade 401 Burnt Raisin. Oh yes, I like that. It's a perfect mauve. Again, it's like super pigmented. This one looks gorgeous. This is in the shade 305 Patently Peach. This is a shade that'll be perfect for the spring and summer. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that, Patently Peach 305. That's gorgeous. That's definitely my favorite out of the bunch. Can't wait to pop that on. Thank you so much, Estee Lauder, Danielle and Taryn. Thank you. This is beautiful. I'm super excited about this next launch. I have been waiting patiently for it to come into my Sephora, and I didn't actually realize I was being sent it. So Urban Decay, Val, thank you so much. This is the new Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. I'm so excited because it's been so long since they've come out with anything more in their Naked Basics range. You guys, if you watch me for a long time, you'll know that the original Naked Basics palette was my go-to palette forever. I used that thing to death. It was all I talked about and used on my channel. I used that thing to death, and then they came out with the Naked 2 Basics, and now they've come out with the Naked Heat. I think because the Naked Heat palette did so well, that probably inspired them to make another Basics, and I'm really excited about it. So this is the packaging here. Super, super beautiful. This is the packaging. The Naked Petite Heat. How beautiful is that? Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Look at the colors in here. Right off the hop, I'm actually surprised that they didn't include any shimmer shade in here, but that's totally fine. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful anyway. I was expecting like one gold, like a gold shimmery, fiery shade. Anyway, so that's the palette. It would appear to be all matte. The Inhale shade here has a little bit of shimmer running through it, but the rest of the shades are matte. Let's give it a swatch and see. I really just failed at doing that. I just swatched them here. I don't know what angle I have done. What have I done? I just watched the darker shades here, but look at how gorgeous those are. They're really creamy and smooth. That was super easy to swatch. Ooh, that's going everywhere. Beautiful. Love the packaging. I'm so excited about this palette. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. I've been very curious about what this little thing is. #1 best-selling, most loved, most reviewed. Ole Henriksen. Ooh, it was sent in this weird little cardboard orange box. I don't know how to open these things. Do I just... Cool! Oh my god, how cute is that? Look at the inside of this package. That's so adorable. What is this? I've heard some people call it Ula. Is it Ula? I say Ole. This is the True Serum. It's collagen boosted with True C Complex. It doesn't have the list of ingredients on it, but I'm going to look this up later. Thank you so much to Ole Henriksen for this True Serum. NARS has come out with their spring collection. This is called the Spring It On collection. I am so excited about this liquid blush. What do they actually call it? Yeah, oh, liquid blush. This is in the shade Hot Tin Roof. And I know that NARS has had a few of these out for a while, but I've never actually tried one. Look at how beautiful that packaging is. It's so pretty. I'm so curious to see how much comes out with a pump as well. Oh wow, a lot comes out with a pump. So I'd probably pump that onto my hand and apply it with a stipple brush. But let's see how that blends out. That's very deep. Oh my heavens. You would need like a 12th of that, but that is the shade Hot Tin Roof. I actually really like that. That's very perfectly named. Beautiful. That's super pigmented. It feels like nothing. I blended it out a little bit more here, so that could be a really beautiful tint. But it's just so pigmented. You need like the tiniest amount of product. So it's a little bit wasteful when you're pumping out so much of that with just one pump. Maybe if you use one of these, try squeezing out a little millipump. But that's gorgeous. Perfect shade for the summer. Oh my goodness. So this is the highlighting blush in the shade Free Soul. Oh wow, yeah, that, oh. Look at that, that's so pretty. I love the NARS blush packaging. Let me know in the comments, you guys, what your favorite NARS blushes are. I only have NARS Sin, and I don't know why I haven't tried more of their blushes, but look at that. That would be such a gorgeous blush topper. I definitely see why it's called a highlighting blush, but look at that sheen. Just a little bit of that over the cheeks, that'd be so beautiful. And let's see the shadow sticks. There's two shades here. It's called the Velvet Shadow Stick. There's the shade Friol and Gallus. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, interesting shades. Interesting. This is the shade Gallus. It's like a white silver shadow stick. And then the shade Friol. This is like a light smoky gray color. Holy crap, I haven't used shadow sticks in so long. I used to be obsessed with the Laura Mercier Caviar eyeshadow sticks. This is the Friol. This is glazy. That one's so beautiful. I can imagine making the most beautiful cool toned eyeshadow look with that. I could see like Margot Robbie wearing this as a smoky eye, you know? And then 4 of these lip covers. Okay, so this first one is called Hell Gate. First of all, can we just appreciate the packaging of this? How gorgeous is this packaging? Is their normal like kind of matte soft covering? Absolutely beautiful. They don't smell like anything. They kind of just smell like lipstick. Oh wow, that's really, really creamy. That's beautiful. This one's Hellgate. Gorgeous, gorgeous, kind of deep burgundy. This one is in the shade Summer Fire. Oh, that's pretty. Nice, light, soft, cool tone pink. That's definitely my kind of shade. That's so beautiful. This is a very unique feeling formula. A very, very nude, almost concealer-like shade. This is in the shade Embrace Moi. You can hardly even see it. It matches with my skin tone so well. Very, very light, pale nude. This one seems to be a little bit of a deeper, kind of peachier brownie nude. This is Under Arrest. These are so pigmented. They're so pigmented and so creamy. So this is Hellgate, Summer Fire, Embrace Moi, and Under Arrest. Gorgeous, gorgeous launch from NARS. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to play with the spring collection. It looks beautiful. Can't wait to wear that one in particular. The next bag I got is from Model Zone, and I've never actually tried anything from Model Zone. As far as I'm aware, I think it's from the UK, and they sent a bunch of goodies. I'm super excited about this. Very affordable pricing. This eyeshadow palette that I will show in a moment, Barely There too. This one is $14.99. They came out with a setting spray that is $7.99. It's called One Night Stand setting spray, except mine has all rubbed off. I don't know how that happened. Everything got all muddled and weird. And then they have new concealers that are $7.99 as well. So it says Cover It Full Coverage Concealer. And they sent over 6 shades. This is the packaging here. This is the Cover It Full Coverage Concealer from Model's Own. I like that one a lot. Look at how beautiful that is. Look how creamy and like wet that looks on the hand. That's so pretty. This is the Barely There 2 eyeshadow palette. I love that packaging. How cute is that? Oh wow, that's so beautiful. This is the eyeshadow palette here. Look at the shades in here. How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness gracious. Those are the shadows there. They're a little bit lighter. They're not as like deeply pigmented, but sometimes that's nice. Like the Chanel eyeshadows just put a really beautiful light sheen on the eyes. They're not crazy pigmented. And sometimes you don't want it to be too crazy and deep. Considering that this would appear to be a drugstore palette, the pigment on these eyeshadows is insane. These are the matte browns there. These are the shimmers. Absolutely gorgeous. And the color, honestly, like the color range in here just brings me so much joy. This is like a perfect everyday palette. It doesn't have anything too deep and crazy. You've got some gorgeous shimmery lid toppers here and a really nice selection of the matte browns. And the packaging is perfect. It's super, super thin and sleek. It feels nice in the hands, and it has these shades and the names on the back. That's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Model's Own. I can't wait to try these. I've never tried Model's Own before, but those look amazing, and I will definitely keep you guys posted. They are so pretty, so pretty. And the final product in this new in makeup beauty haul kind of dealio thing are the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrubs. And I wanted to show you guys the box they sent it in because it was so cute. Very unnecessarily large. The packaging could have been much smaller. Just saying. They came out with 3 new sugar scrubs for the face, and then they included the accompanying candy with it. How cute is that? They have a cocoa scrub here that says nourishes dry skin, and then they included chocolate caramel pearls with it. It's so cute. And then they have the kiwi scrub. It says unclogs pores for oily skin, and then the grape seed scrub, which brightens dull skin. I'm gonna go ahead and say that the cocoa one would be my favorite, but these are so adorable. Can't wait to try them. They look great. Their pure clay masks are amazing, so I'm really excited to try these sugar scrubs, and they are $14.99 each. It says you can use them 3 times per week, and they are made with 100% naturally derived sugars. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. I can't wait to try these. So those are all of the products that I have received as recent launches. That's what's new in beauty. It's what's new in the mailbox. I hope that you guys enjoyed kind of going through these. Thank you so much for sitting here and opening the packages with me and seeing what's new in the beauty world. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!